Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson.
皆さんこんにちは。Ichiyo's Japanese オンラインレッスンのIchiyoです。I'm Ichiyo and I represent Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson.
I'm an English narrator. I'll read the explanations instead of Ichiyo. I'm sorry. I can't pronounce Japanese vocabulary correctly. I'll pronounce Japanese vocabulary in English pronunciation in our videos. Please learn that the correct pronunciation of Hiragana is
Hiragana,
the correct pronunciation of Katakana is
Katakana,
the correct pronunciation of Kanji is
Kanji.
When you read Japanese vocabulary, please pronounce them in Japanese pronunciation. Please look at this Japanese sentence. Can you read it and understand its meaning? Japanese people can read it. However, it's difficult to read. This is because there is no kanji and katakana in the sentence. Today, we'll teach the character balance. If you want to improve your writing skills, please watch this video. Today's content is additional explanations of this textbook. Even if you haven't read it, you can enjoy this video. However, we recommend you read it to understand today's content correctly. You can download it if you become our private lesson student.
それでは今日のレッスンを始めましょう。
Balance of hiragana, katakana, and kanji in a sentence. Please look at the Japanese sentence again. It's composed only of hiragana. Please look at the English translation. There are no spaces in the sentence. We think you found reading the English sentence difficult. When a Japanese sentence is written only in hiragana, it's difficult for Japanese people to read. This is similar to how English speakers find it hard to read a sentence without spaces between words. In order to write Japanese sentences so that we can easily understand them, the balance of hiragana, katakana, and kanji is very important. If you write Japanese sentences only in hiragana, Japanese people think the sentences are childish. Now, I'll rewrite this sentence so that it's easy to read. The second sentence is the one I corrected. It's composed of hiragana, katakana, and kanji. The balance of the characters make it easy to read. It's read as
庭には鶏がいる。
It means, there are two chickens in the garden.
庭には鶏がいる。庭には鶏がいる。庭
It means garden.
庭何々に
It means in somewhere.
The ni is a postpositional particle. 何々に何々に
The hiragana is read as
は
It's a postpositional particle.
When ha is a postpositional particle, we pronounce it as は
We can't translate it correctly into English because English does not have the same word and grammar.
In this sentence, the は emphasizes 庭に。庭
It means two birds.
庭 鶏
It means chicken. We often write it in kanji or katakana.
鶏鶏
The hiragana is read as
が
It's also a postpositional particle. It's difficult to translate it into English, because Japanese postpositional particles are not the same as the English ones.
In this sentence, the が indicates that 鶏が is the subject. いる
It means there is, or there are.
いるいる
The two words are the kanji vocabulary. These are hiragana. This is katakana. This sentence is composed of kanji, hiragana and katakana. When Japanese people write sentences, we emphasize a good balance between hiragana, katakana, and kanji. It's said that these percentages are the desirable balance when we write Japanese sentences. Key point.
漢字
20%,
ひらがな
70%,
カタカナ
10%. Please look at this sentence. This is read as
そこの喫茶店でコーヒーを飲む
It means, I'll drink coffee at the cafe there.
そこの喫茶店でコーヒーを飲むそこの喫茶店でコーヒーを飲むそこの喫茶店でコーヒーを飲む
This sentence has too many kanji. Therefore, the character balance is not good. Now, I'll rewrite this sentence. The sentence is the corrected one. The highlighted vocabulary are read as
そこ
I rewrote it from kanji to hiragana. The light blue highlighted vocabulary are read as
コーヒ
I rewrote it from kanji to katakana. The second sentence is easier to read than the first one. The hiragana, katakana, and kanji balance is better. Another type of character balance is this. There are cases when we don't use katakana vocabulary when writing a sentence. In this case, the desirable balance and the character's percentage is like the above. Key point.
漢字
30%,
ひらがな
70%. This sentence is read as
ひらがなと漢字を勉強する
It means, I'll study hiragana and kanji.
ひらがなと漢字を勉強するひらがなと漢字を勉強するひらがなと漢字を勉強する
There are many kanji characters in this sentence. Ichiyo will rewrite this sentence. The second sentence is the one Ichiyo rewrote.
I wrote Hiragana in Hiragana.
The hiragana and kanji balance in the second sentence is better than the first one. When you write Japanese sentences, please pay attention to the balance between kanji and hiragana. Summary. When we write Japanese sentences, the balance of kanji, hiragana, and katakana is important. Please take a look at this sentence structure. It's composed of kanji, hiragana, and katakana. It's said that these percentages are the desirable character balance when we write Japanese sentences. When we don't use katakana vocabulary in a sentence, the desirable kanji and hiragana balance is this. When you write sentences, please pay attention to the balance of kanji, hiragana, and katakana.
Thank you for watching today's lesson.
We think that even if you watch this video, you can't write natural Japanese sentences. Unfortunately, there are many Japanese learners who use incorrect Japanese even though they passed the JLPTN1. Therefore, you need a teacher to check your Japanese every time and privately if you want to have correct Japanese skills. However, it's difficult to find a teacher even if you attend a language school. That's why we offer lessons and services where we check and correct members' Japanese daily and privately. We offer two services. One is Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson. This is a private online lesson by Ichiyo. If you really want to improve your Japanese, we recommend you take the lesson. The other service is Daily Japanese Mail Support. We check your Japanese using email. The price is 3,600 Japanese yen. That equates roughly to 25 US dollars, 37 Australian dollars or 25 euros. Please check the rate in your local currency before making any purchases.
それでは次回の動画でお会いしましょう。さようなら。